Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can purchase the Lemon Verbena in Heartopia. So you are going to want to go to Blanc and you will find in his gardening store there will be a Lemon Verbena seed. So it matures in 15 minutes. Limited flower seed can only be sown and grown during specific periods. So this is for the latest Modular Streets festival. So you're just going to want to purchase a lot of them because you'll need a lot for the event. I'm just going to purchase 200. I think that's enough. And then you're just going to grow it in your garden, and this is what it looks like once they are grown. Ignore that. Wait, where did it go? Hold on. Oh, it's up here. So this is what the lemon verbena will look like. It is for the shaved ice, I think. So let's go to collection. Oh wait, no. Let's go here. So it is for, oh, it's for the pie. It says fruit verbena pie. So you will need the lemon verbena for the pies, so make sure you buy that from Blanc. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!